everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I'm here to show you my entire Chanel collection. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a collection type video. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Hi, yes, hello. So today I wanted to do a Chanel collection because I've never been able to do one specific collection for a brand before. I don't usually tend to have more than one item or more than a couple of items in a certain category from one fashion house, like whether it be like Celine handbags, Celine outerwear, sunglasses. I mean, I guess I could do a Celine collection video as well because I do have a few Celine pieces. Oh my god, new video idea. But I wanted to do Chanel because, as you know, I have added a couple more Chanel pieces to my collection over the past this year. I don't even know how I've been able to do this. I wanted to go over them with you and just show you the whole thing in one video. It's not a lot. I have 5 pieces to show you. It's not gonna be like a giant collection or anything like that, but I am very happy and very proud of the things that I own, and yeah. Let's get started. So we're gonna go by when I purchased them. The first thing that I got, second thing, third thing, you understand. So the very first thing that I got, I actually don't have with me anymore. It still technically is in my collection, but my mom did buy it from me. It was my vintage Chanel Classic Flap. I'll put up some pictures of her here because I loved that handbag for a long time. I got that bag in like March of 2022. Yeah, because I got it after me and my husband were married, and we were married in February 2022. So I think it was like probably March of that year, and I wore it so much. She was either like a 96 to 98 vintage. I wasn't entirely sure which vintage she was, but she was either one of those, and I really did love that bag. The only reason I am talking about it now is because my mom still did buy it from me. It's her bag now, but I do think that she would let me wear it if I ever needed to. So I say it's in my collection, but technically it is my mom's handbag. We're in the same family, so it is kind of still my collection in a way because I think that she would let me wear it with no issues. So unfortunately, I can't actually show you the bag. I will link the review to the black Chanel Classic Flap down below so you can see her in all of her glory, and I can go into much bigger detail on the black vintage Classic Flap. So after I got my Chanel Classic Flap, the next thing that I got was a card holder. This is my first ever Chanel card holder piece. I got this from Fashion File, and I got this in 2022, the same year as my Chanel Classic Flap, but I think I got this in like May or June of 2022 because it was getting near my birthday and I wanted something for my birthday, so I did end up buying this. Did I overspend and did I pay way more than retail? Well, not way more, but did I pay more than retail for this little card holder? Yes. Would I do it again? Probably not, because I do love Chanel card holders and I do want to get another one, but maybe I wouldn't spend this much money on it. But here's what she looks like. She is in caviar and she is so beautiful. The caviar on this one is so soft, like it's crazy. I wore this card holder for an entire year pretty much before I got a different one. So I wore this from like May of 2022 all the way up, well, not a whole year, all the way up until like February 2023, because in February 2023 my husband got me a YSL card holder for our anniversary. So I did wear this for a long time though, and I never changed out of it. It was my one and only Chanel card holder and I absolutely love it. She's kind of in retirement at the moment because she is getting a tiny bit of wear, corner wear, like you can see on the corner right here. It definitely is a bit worn, but everything else is really good, and she has held up fantastically. She has one big open pocket in the center right here, and then she has one card slot on the front, and then 2 more card slot holders on the back. And she is pretty spacious for a little card holder. She fit all of my essentials, all of my cards that I need to carry with me. And yeah, I love her. I might actually swap into her relatively soon, like for summertime, just to kind of give her a little bit of love because I have not worn her in a very long time. I've been obsessed with my Louis Vuitton Rosalie card holder that's purple. It's in that bubble tea color. Oh my God, I love it so much. So I've been kind of neglecting this one, but I will go back into this one pretty soon. And then the next thing from Chanel that I was able to get my hands on, and I cannot believe I got my hands on this piece because literally everybody and their mom has been trying, or was last year. I got this last year. Everybody and their mom was trying to get their hands on this Chanel piece for like the spring, summer, probably summer, more summertime during 2023. And it is the beautiful Chanel sunglasses. These are the, I don't know what you would even call them. They're like the acetate sunglasses that everyone lost their mind over. And I was able to find these, crazily enough. I found them online and I'm just so lucky that I was able to get my hands on these because these ones have the Chanel written on the top right here, and it's in like this beautiful beige color. And these came in loads of different colors, but the one that I wanted the most was the beige across the top. But I think it came in black, it came in white maybe, and then I think it also came in like a yellow or a pink. Very, very pretty colors, but I love the beige because I'm a beige bitch. I don't know, it has the Chanel logo on the side there. It's got one on this side as well, and then it does say Chanel on the front. You probably can't see that, but it does have it there. But yeah, these are literally my favorite sunglasses that I have in my entire collection. I love them so much. They're also my most worn sunglasses in my entire collection just because they just look amazing. I hope I'm not messing up the white balance or something on the camera, but and then when you like bend down you can see the little Chanel on the rim. I love these. These are like my go-to, my grab and go sunglasses. If I'm not trying to pair sunglasses with an outfit, these are the ones that I automatically just grab. They're very comfortable. They fit perfectly on my face, which is kind of rare. Like, I don't know if I have like a small face or what, but sunglasses tend to just fall off of me. They're not tight enough. I can't tighten them in myself. I don't know how to do that. And then I have taken them up to like professional, like Sunglass Hut. They did fix my YSL sunglasses, but then they just got really big again. They just got loose. So I don't know. These ones fit perfect. These and my Celine sunglasses fit amazingly. These are still my favorite sunglasses that I own, and they are Chanel, and I love them so much. All right, you guys, we are getting into my last couple of items. And these are hands down my favorite pieces that I have in my collection when it comes to Chanel. Honestly, when it comes to all of my collection, like these are my two favorite pieces in my entire collection as a whole. I'm doing them in order, but this one that I'm gonna show you next is hands down my favorite piece that I own, period. And then the last one I'm going to show you is my second favorite piece. So I'm showing you my favorite first. I do have a full unboxing of this bag linked in the description if you want me to go into the entire detail. I am just so incredibly grateful, and I know how insane this is to have these bags. Like, I'm well aware. The next thing, I still get so giddy when I look at this bag because it's truly my favorite thing that I own, besides my dogs. This is the 21P Caramel Brown. It is a small Chanel classic flap, and I wanted this bag for years and years. When I first knew that this bag existed, you couldn't get it anymore. And plus, in 2020/2021, when this was being released, there was no way I could afford to buy it new. So I just never got it, but I really wanted it. I found this on Fashion File. Again, it was a really good deal, and here she is. Let me take the strap off, or like take it out so you can fully see everything. I have been wearing this bag also an absolute butt ton since I got it. I know people will probably say, oh, you shouldn't do that. It's really delicate. You should only wear it for occasions. No. I am gonna wear this bag as much as I want because I bought it and I want to be able to wear it. This is also in the beautiful lambskin leather. I have never, well, my vintage classic flap, it was also in lambskin, but this one is just so poofy. You have the quilts, the poofy quilts that are like my favorite thing about this bag. It's so shiny as well, and the leather is so soft and just nice. Like, it is just nice to touch and feel. I have to be really, really careful with like my rings and stuff, so I am like hyper aware whenever I do handle this bag in particular. My other bag that I'm gonna show you, I'm not as careful with because it's in caviar, but this is just hands down my favorite thing that I own in my entire collection. She is a 30. I don't know why I went British there, but she's a 31 series. I love her. She's currently got her little dust bag inside of her. This bag is going to be in my collection for the rest of my life. Like, I know that I've said before, like when it comes to my vintage Chanel, that I would never, ever, ever, ever sell it. And like, I never really had a plan to sell my vintage one, but I kind of always had it in my head that if I did sell it, I would put the money towards a different classic flap, which did happen on the other bag that I'm going to show you. Yeah, this bag is just, it's never going anywhere. I would never be able to repurchase this bag if I sold it or anything like that. It's too, not rare, because I don't want to be like, oh, it's rare. Like, I don't think it's that serious, but I do think that you can't just go out and buy this at the store anymore. You do have to do a personal shopper pretty much, or find it luckily somehow online. So it's not like an easy thing to find. So I just don't want to have to go through that again. And plus, I wouldn't have been able to get it at the price that I got it for if I ever had to rebuy it. So yeah, she's staying with me for the rest of my life. I'm obsessed with this bag. Yeah, she's my actual baby child. I love her so much. Oh my god. And then the last bag I want to show today is, again, very recent. I just basically did an unboxing on this bag a few videos ago. So she was got, I think, either at the very beginning of May or very late April. Let me see. Yeah, I bought her on May 1st and I got her on May 3rd. So literally at the beginning of May is when I got this bag. So she is brand new. And again, I just don't know what to say because I know it's insane. I was not expecting to get this bag. It is my birthday coming up this year. I am turning 30 this year. So I did think that I was like, oh my gosh, it'd be so great to, you know, get a bag for my 30th. But like, I got the other one. I don't know. My mom did end up buying my vintage one. So her buying that one did offset this one quite a bit, which is very nice. But without any further ado, oh my god, this is from the 23P collection. This is my current bag. I'm actually currently wearing this. All my stuff is in here, if you can hear that. This is a bag that, it's not an everyday bag. This bag I am carrying pretty regularly as of right now because I just love it. She's so spring, she's so summer, and she's just perfect. Again, this is from the 23P collection, and this one is also in caviar, if you can tell. I'll show you here in just a second. And she is in the color, technically it's called light blue, but this is kind of like giving periwinkle. That's why I loved it so much. Like, I love this color. This is one of my favorite colors of all time. I love like a light blue periwinkle that's kind of has a purpley undertone. I bought this from Red Deluxe on Instagram, and it's Georgia. She's great. I'll link them below. I saw that she has someone sell this bag to her, and I loved it. It was love at first sight. I actually really liked this bag when I received my brown classic flap. So I knew that I kind of really liked this bag and that I kind of wanted it for over a month, but I was like, there's no way. I just got the brown one. Let me just let this dream go. But then here we are. So I knew that I really liked this one. They had two available and one got sold, and this one, I was like, oh my god, it's gonna sell and I love this color so much. But no, it stuck around for me. Here's what she looks like. She is in caviar, of course, if you can tell. Caviar is really, really durable. She is definitely not as soft as the lambskin one, but this one I don't really baby all that much. I don't really care if, I mean, I'd care if something happens to it, but I'm not as gentle with this bag as I am my lambskin one, the brown one. But yeah, she's beautiful. The color is everything that I could have asked for. Like, oh my goodness, it's literally just perfect in every way. She has light gold hardware, and yeah, again, she is from the 23P collection. So she is very new. Here's her on the inside, and this is also my first microchip bag as well, which, oh my god, a microchip bag. It's crazy. She is 1,000,000% gonna be my spring summer bag. You can also wear her a lot in winter, I feel like. This with like a white coat or a gray coat would be absolutely stunning. This with like an all white outfit or light colors, it would be stunning. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I love this bag with my entire heart. This bag is also going to be in my collection forever. The only way that I would ever sell this bag is if I got a Birkin. But the thing is that like I probably still would not even sell this bag. Like I just love it so much. So one of my other bags or a couple of my other bags would just have to go if I was ever offered a Birkin. But I love my Chanels. They're probably gonna be in my collection for the longest. That's pretty much it, you guys. Let me know in the comments what your favorite thing was that I showed today. Let me know if you like this color more or the beautiful brown color more. Which color's more your style, or do you like the black one? Are you into vintage? Also, tell me your Chanel collections or just your handbag collection or any collection that you have in the comments. It doesn't have to be luxury. It could be stamps, coins, sunglasses, whatever you collect. Tell me in the comments because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!